EMF of a cell and its internal resistance. In previous lecture, I have said concept of EMF, potential difference and voltage are similar. In today's lecture, we will see what is a small difference in concept of EMF and potential difference. So, before starting video, I want to say that please see my previous lecture and then come for this video. I am giving link in the description box for previous lectures video. See the simple definition of EMF, electromotive force, total energy required or total energy provided by cell or any source to move the current through closed circuit. Okay. Whereas potential difference, energy required to move the current through only 2 points. Energy required to move the current through only 2 points. And EMF, energy required to move the current through closed circuit. Okay. These both are measured in volt. Now go for another definition of EMF. When circuit is open means when current is not flowing. What is that? The EMF is maximum potential difference between two electrodes of a cell. What is EMF? The maximum potential difference between two electrodes of a cell when no current flows or circuit is open. Let this is a galvanic cell. These two are electrodes and this electrolyte conducting solution. We know that charge flow from negative to positive and current is opposite from higher potential to lower potential. Okay. This is general. Electrons flows from negative charge to positive charge in outer circuit, but in inner circuit electrons flows from positive to negative. How? For circuit completion, charge moves from negative to positive and go through it. Again it moves from positive to negative in inner circuit. Okay, what we have given, but here is the inner circuit. Electrons flows from positive to negative for circuit completion, because for circuit completion when electrons flows from this positive to this negative electrodes, then and then only this circuit will complete. And why is this? Because exothermic reaction of electrolyte conducting solution. Now the definition: when circuit is open, then let this is cut and the circuit is open, then current cannot flow. In this situation, maximum potential difference between two electrodes of a cell is EMF when current is not flowing or in open circuit. Now very interesting internal resistance small r which is present in cell. When circuit is complete, then current is flow from this electrolyte conducting solution also, and there is a resistance offered by electrolyte conducting solution to flow the current. If this resistance is called internal resistance and is denoted by small r. In the diagram, we denoted in this way: internal resistance R, EMF, and the resistance, outer resistance. Okay, current is flowing, resistance across AB. Now, the definition of internal resistance is the obstruction offered to path of a current due to material of electrolyte of cell, as we seen in the diagram. Or internal resistance is the resistance which is present in the battery that resists current flow when connected to circuit. Thus, it causes voltage drop. At every resistance, there is a small voltage drop. Thus, it causes a voltage drop when current flow through it. Now, see the diagram. What is the total resistance of that circuit? R plus R. This internal resistance also calculated. According to Ohm's law, we have formula for current. I is equal to V by R. Here I is equal to E by capital R plus small r. Let's see the formulas. Total resistance of a circuit, capital R plus small r. Current through the circuit, E by R plus R. And according to Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. But here, when the internal resistance is present, then E upon capital R plus small r. Now, potential difference across A, B. Potential difference V is equal to IR, but here IR. I is, according to this equation, I is E by R plus R and into R. In another word, potential difference between AB can be calculated by EMF of a circuit minus potential drop across this internal resistance. Means, how can calculate the potential drop across this internal resistance? V is equal to IR, but here R is a small r for internal resistance. When we take difference of EMF of a circuit and internal resistance or voltage drop because of internal resistance, means I into small r, we get potential difference between these 2 points A, B, or for R. How can it write in formulas? VAB is equal to EMF, means energy required to move the current through entire closed circuit, minus IR, voltage drop because of internal resistance. Then this is an important formula. VAB is equal to E minus IR. Now we can observe from this equation potential difference is less than EMF. But in open circuit potential difference is equal to EMF. How? Let's see. In open circuit potential difference is equal to EMF. We have formula V is equal to E minus I into small r. What we have done? Open circuit means no current flow. Then it becomes 0. Then V is equal to E. Hence, in open circuit, potential difference is equal to EMF. Now, if these cells are connected in series, then we can draw this circuit. See? Current is flowing from higher potential to lower potential, then arrow is, this is small r, internal resistances. Okay. Now total internal resistance. How many? Here we have given 3. But if they are more than 3, then we can write N into R. N into R. Here N is 3. Total resistance. Total resistance is this R plus this N into R. Current is depend on this R and small r. Now, by using Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. When EMF E is equal to I into R plus NR, if internal resistance is provided, then I is equal to E divided by this term R plus NR. But in series combinations E1, E2, E3 voltage drops occur. Hence E into N is not same as in parallel cell combinations. In parallel cell combination we take EMF E is same constant, but here is N into E. Hence the formula I is equal to N into E divided by R plus NR. Only this formula is important. Now, when cells are in parallel combination, let's see, E is same, because in parallel combination current is divided and voltage drop is occur in series combination. Let's see. Let M number of cells are connected in parallel. Okay. Then if we calculate equivalent internal resistance, then we get 1 by R dash is equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R up to M by R. Hence R dash is equal to R divided by M. Hence total resistance R plus R by M. Hence current is equal to, according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. If internal resistance is present, then I is equal to E by R plus small r. But when cells are in parallel combinations, then we know that small r equivalent is equal to r by m. Now for ease of formula, we multiply this m into r and into e. We get this formula. The final formula I is equal to m into e divided by m into r, capital R, plus internal resistance small r. Now see the simple problem for cells are in series combination. With the help of this problem, you can solve cells are in parallel. Let's see. A resistor is connected to a battery of 20 volt EMF. What is given? E. 20 volt. Internal resistance 0.3 ohm. Internal resistance small r. If the circuit carrying current is also given, I is equal to, then resistance is. Series combinations, hence we have formula I is equal to n into e upon r plus n into r. Put all the values, then multiply these equations or these two terms, we get is equal to 20. Then again this product goes to divide here. Then r plus 0.3 is equal to 13.3 and r is equal to 13.3. Sorry, here 13.3 minus 0.3 is equal to 13 ohm. Okay? Understand? This formula is important. Okay. Now formula for mixed grouping of cells. Let n identical cells be arranged in series and m such in parallel. Then total number of cells is equal to m into n. The EMF of a system, n into E. The internal resistance of a system, n into R divided by m. Therefore, current through the external resistance R, I is equal to n into E R plus n into small r divided by m. M cells in parallel. Then this m into r and into ne, we get final equation m and e divided by mr plus nr. This is final formula for mixed grouping cells. Now arrangement of cells for maximum current. In this case, total number of cells m into n, we already seen in mixed grouping cells also. Small r and capital R are constants, whereas m and r are variables, because we don't know how many cells are in series and how many cells are in parallel for getting maximum current. We have to calculate it, or we have to decide it through the formula. For I max, we have less value of mr plus nr. Why? See the formula for mixed grouping cells. I is equal to m n e upon mr plus nr. when this denominator is less. When this denominator is less, then we get maximum value of I. Simple calculation. If MR plus NR is less, then we get I max. Okay. This should happen when MR is equal to NR. Hence, current through external resistance R is a maximum when it is equal to internal resistance of a battery. Hence, condition for maximum current is capital R is equal to NR divided by M. C, which is equal to internal resistance of a system, NR divided by M. But for maximum current, we take MR is equal to NR. This capital R is equal to small r. Hence, internal resistance small r of a system, small r into N divided by M is equal to R is equal to N R divided by M. Now for better understanding, solve this problem. How would you arrange 20 cells? We have given total 20 cells, means M into N is equal to 20. Each of EMF 1.5 volt. EMF E is equal to 1.5 volt. Internal resistance small r is equal to 1 ohm to give maximum current through an external resistance of 5 ohm. External resistance 5 ohm, capital R is equal to 5 ohm. Also find that current. Now, we know that N cells are in series, M cells are in parallel. We have given total number of cells, M into N is equal to 20 cells. EMF 1.5 volt. Small r means internal resistance 1 ohm and capital R is equal to 5 ohm. Now we have formula. The condition for maximum current is capital R is equal to small r into N divided by M. Put all the values. 5 N into 1 divided by M means 5 M is equal to N. Now we know that M into N is equal to 20. We have given that. Then put M into value of N from equation 1. 5M means 5 into M square is equal to 20. Means M square is equal to 4. Means M is equal to 2. And hence from equation this 2, M is 2, then N is 10. Hence, N is 10 means 10 cells are in series and 2 cells are in parallel. Now find out the maximum current. I is equal to MNE divided by MR plus NR. Calculation. Easy calculation. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then please subscribe our channel for next videos which will helpful for your MPSC exams, and share this video with your friends and comment in the comment box also. Thank you.